C major. The easiest major scale is that of C. It consists of only white notes. It starts on C and it goes up to the next C one octave higher by playing all the white notes in ascending order. So let's have a look to how that looks on the keyboard. So we start on C. I will take the middle C here, but I could have started with any C on the keyboard. Now let's go up by playing only the white notes till we reach the next C. So, after C comes D, then E, then F, G, A, B, and we're back on C, but one octave higher than the first C we played. The set of notes we just played, so from C to C one octave higher by playing all the white notes, is called the scale of C major. We call C the root of the C major scale. We can of course also play the C major scale in descending order. So C, B, A, G, F, E, D, and back on C. Let's look at the intervals between the consecutive notes in the C major scale. Starting on the middle C, we go to D, which is one whole tone. Then from D to E, again, a whole tone. From E to F, a semitone. From F to G, a whole tone. From G to A, a whole tone. From A to B, again a whole tone. And finally from B to C, a semitone. So we see the next structure for the C major scale. 1, 1, a half, 1, 1, 1, a half. You can also write whole tone, halftone, whole tone, halftone. Now this structure is the structure for all the major scales. It's the same not only for C major. So it's very important to remember this structure because we will use it to find all the other major scales.